Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the process of forwarding ports on the Grandstream GWN7001 router. First, access your Grandstream router via a web browser. In the address bar, type the router's IP address. Next, log into the router by providing your username and password. In order to set up port forwarding, a public IP address is needed. To configure port forwarding, go to External Access, then click on the port forwarding. Next, click on the Add button. Set the name of your port forwarding rule. Next, select protocol type to TCP/UDP. In the Interfaces field, select your WAN interface. In the Source Port field, enter Remote Desktop default port number. Next, enter the IP address of the remote desktop server into the Destination IP address field. Next, enter the remote desktop port number into the Destination port field. Click the Save button. We have now finished setting up port forwarding on the Grandstream router. After this, we will switch to the data connection to check the port forwarding configuration. Next, open Remote Desktop Connection on your PC. Next, enter the WAN IP address of your Grandstream router in the Computer field. Click Connect button. Next, enter the target remote desktop system's username and password. Click OK button. At last, we can now connect to the remote desktop via the internet. You may verify the port status by Port Checker tool. Go to portchecker.co. Next, enter your Grandstream router WAN IP address and port number you may verify. Click on Check button.